Linking a bank account on Gumroad is essential for receiving payments from your sales. Follow these steps to set it up correctly. Step 1. Create a Gumroad account. Visit the Gumroad website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account management options. Step 3. Go to Payout Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Payouts section. This is where you will manage your payment methods. Click on Payouts to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Add your bank account. In the Payouts section, look for an option to add a bank account. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Gumroad account, allowing you to receive payments seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, refer to Gumroad's Help Center for additional support.